Russell, for telling us where you live. And he says something about he's been stabbed. I haven't been stabbed, but then you shouldn't have been so slow, should you? You know, you should have reacted a bit quicker. Don't know who stabbed you. Just shows the calibre of the sort of person you are. You had your ops yet? The ones you're scared of, where you're frightened you're going to die? Not sure. These ops, I don't know what you're worrying about. You just want to hope they don't give you too much anaesthetic, because you know, that does happen in some cases. And you know, someone might just contact your local hospital, or maybe all of the hospitals in the area, to make sure it's covered. And they might have people that actually work in the hospital. Who knows what the connections are? I mean, let's face it, love, you're just a bitch. You are one nasty bitch. And whatever you say, you slag, because you are a slag. You don't like to be called a slag. Why is that, love? Because you are a slag, and you know you're a slag. And as regards Hoaxtead Research blog, Hoaxtead YouTube channel, whatever, you're continuing this for your own egos, to make money. It's all about the money. We know it's all about the money. Here comes my friend. I didn't recognise him. He's got a fluorescent green top on. Funny enough, I gave my daughter a bikini in that colour yesterday. I was trying to give her lots of bikini tops. She's slimmer than me, but she's got a big bust like me. And like, they don't hold me up, but she's young and firm, and so like she's all right. I just find it disgusting. It's one of those subjects that no one will ever convince me otherwise. There's just no way. There's no way that's a medical problem why someone has to consume that food. You know, instead of eating, do your bloody knitting. I suppose that is why you probably did your knitting, to stop you while you're knitting. It's a bit difficult to eat, really, isn't it? So now I'm off down the gym, and I'm going to do some more exercise. And you know why? Because I like exercise, all right? It's good for you. It's good for your mental health too. Some people, that's what they should have been doing. Instead of sticking food in their mouth, like, they should have been down that bloody gym, or gone for a walk, or gone for a jog, or gone for a run, or gone for a swim, or gone and played tennis or cricket or whatever. You know, you get the drift. Stop trying to be a control freak. You can't control everybody. It's not your business. Butt out. I wonder how many cocks she's had.